Hello everyone. Today I would like to show to you how I will do amber soap. Soap will be made of shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil and castor oil. Like you see, I have my oils, I have lye, and now we will mix them. Okay, and we start. Okay, we have the trace soap, like you can see. I hope you can see. Yes, it's made, and now we share the soap. Here I will do a little bit of more dark color. It's some colorant that I use. And here in a bigger part I will use this color. Okay, and here the second will be more difficult. And like you can see, soap starts to be ready. I have to be fast, so we start to mix. And now in the middle I will do a small break with a typical soap, and I want to add a little bit of glycerin soap. It will be like a small surprise in the middle. I give it just in one place to create something like a small river of surprise. I want to add also in this place a little bit of mica, and I try to mix directly inside. Yes, that glycerin was a little bit cold, but I hope you will get the effect. Okay, and now we continue with our soap. Ah yes, I really see that Shea is working. Soap is solid very fast. We need to accelerate. I will try to remove the end of the more dark color. I will try to do some design if it's possible. Yes, a little bit of mixing on the top. Okay, so our little amber soap is made. Now we have to wait for next 24 hours to unmold. Hello everyone, welcome back again. So we got our soap. I will open the mold, little tiny mold that my husband did for me. We unmold the soap. Okay. And we will see what we have. Okay. And now we are going to cut. Okay, so at first I will cut in half. Again in half. I want to have 4 nice bar of soap. And yes, it's going to be like this. Ta-da! You can see a little bit of mica here that I add. Here we have a little bit more. I will cut until the end. And the soap smells very, very nice. I don't know if you can see, but I hope yes. So that's it. Thank you for watching and bye. Yeah.